So Jack and Jill goes to the same school. Jack gets homework, and as soon as now he gets homework, as soon as he finishes his homework, he sends an SMS to Jill. Hey Jill, I've done my homework. How about you? How about a new way of doing the same thing? Now Jack uses schoolmanagementsystem.net. Through the school management system, when Jack gets homework, he simply when Jack gets homework in school management system, he can see that on his wall, the system posts Jack got this homework. And now all his friends know that, hey, he has to do this homework today. Then Jack comes in and read his Facebook wall and see that his friends are telling him and suggesting him to read this article and read this article or view this video on how to help him complete his homework. So now Jack is getting all kinds of help on doing his homework. Thus, he learns more. He has more knowledge on how to actually do his homework. Now, as soon as Jack finishes his homework, he clicks done on school management system of the assignment, and kaboom, another wall post on his Facebook that Jack has completed his homework. Now Jill can see from Jack's wall that Jack has done his homework, and it even times at how much time Jack took to do his homework. So now there's a competition going on between Jack and Jill on who's going to do the homework faster and better. So this is how we are going to change how the school homework is done through schoolmanagementsystem.net. Try it. It's free.